But we begin tonight with the spiraling emergency after Hurricane Helene. The mountain.
This is an unprecedented storm, and it's causing...
We begin with the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, and the pictures are just...
This is the city of Asheville in the western mountains of North Carolina.
So I'm here in western North Carolina, Boone, North Carolina, and this is one of the houses that we'll be working on. We're going to save this one. This is one that I thought was damaged pretty bad, beyond repair. Samaritan's Purse is here today, and they are doing amazing things. So many people here helping, cleaning, just helping out. You know, they're up back, they're cutting trees around the house that were sort of damaged in the storm, and this is what it's going to be all about for the next few months. Just getting these people back on their feet and helping, and this is all they have to rely on is volunteers, organizations like Samaritan's Purse. There's several down here. I've been working, following them around on different jobs, and people have been praising them, and they're amazing people. So this is one that we'll be working on and bringing this thing all the way through so these people can move back in. I just got back from western North Carolina on Sunday. I made 2 trips down there with supplies for them, and I met with a few families on a few jobs that I'm going to be going back down with my equipment and trying to help out. But the devastation down there is overwhelming. I'll never see this again in my lifetime. I'll never see, the bridges, the roads, the homes, the businesses that are just in ruins. And I don't know why they're not getting the support. I don't know why they're not getting the media down there. So all of us on social media that you see, we're not doing this to make ourselves famous. We're doing this for them because it's all they got. I've started my GoFundMe. I thank you for everybody that has helped in the past. We've got some big donations, but now it's time to really step it up. So please help out. Please donate. All the money that is donated to my GoFundMe, you are going to see where it goes. You're going to see these homes being rebuilt. You're going to see these companies from Southwest Virginia, from Pennsylvania, from North Carolina, all helping out to make this happen. And we're going to make it happen. So thank you for all the support, and let's keep it up.